Oh my god, it smells like Japan. I love it. These were actually like one of my favorite videos to watch. So I used all of these products. Oh my god. You know these are actual like favorites because I've used them up. This is Sol de Janeiro 68 Cheirosa Perfume. You could spray like 10 times and like it'll be light and airy and not like overpowering. Just, I love it. So good. I also really like the orange one of this one too. Yeah. Next, sunscreen. This one was the limited edition packaging and I love this moisturizer. I call it moisturizer because it's so moisturizing, but I love this sunscreen. SPF 50 PA++++. That means it's the best. Oh, a little came out, but I had used all of it. Yeah, so it's like so moisturized. After using this sunscreen, I don't really need to put moisturizer on. Am I gonna repurchase it? Heck yeah, this is one of my favorite moisturizers. Next, ooh, okay, so this one was a really good one. This one's the Honest Beauty Refresh Conditioning Detangler in the scent Citrus Vanilla. It smells so good. Literally a creamsicle. Perfect like size too. It's like just portable enough to like throw in your beach bag and like for some reason I just don't use actual conditioner in the shower, but I love my detangling conditioner, like the spray-in kind, and then you like comb it out. We have Confidence in a Cream. This is by It Cosmetics. I purchased this during Ulta's like 21 Days of Beauty. It's lasted a really long time. It's mainly for like anti-aging and it says super transformative super cream. Did I really notice like a difference dramatically as far as like anti-aging property goes? No, but it was like a good moisturizer, like thick and whatnot. Will I repurchase it? Nah. Even if it's on like Ulta Beauty's like 21 Days of Beauty, I don't think I'm gonna repurchase it. It just wasn't that like sexy or like exciting for me. Next, this is Humanrace cleanser. This one was like a nice gentle cleanser, but it also has AHAs. And exfoliates because it's like a powder consistency, kind of like the Tatcha one. You guys know the Tatcha rice cleanser. It's kind of like that. This one's just Pharrell's version. I have a similar cleanser, Biore baking soda cleanser. This one was a good one too. I really like it. This one is a lot more stronger than this one. You can like really feel it like cleaning. I wouldn't use this to like remove makeup. I wouldn't use any of, you know, these guys to remove makeup. This is for like when you already have your makeup off and then you want to like exfoliate, but like gently. Next, Too Faced glitter, like old school packaging. Has like a doe foot applicator like this. And I've been in love with like just like glitters like this where you could, I'm even wearing some today. Not this one, but like a different brand I'm wearing. Just love the concept of like glitter that already has the base and the applicator, you know, conveniently within the actual product. And I'll go like that and then whoop, and then it stayed on so well and I just loved it. Will I repurchase it again? I mean, if it comes back in stock, heck yeah. Next up, we have Tarte Shape Tape Concealer, Contour Concealer. This used to be like everybody was like, oh my god. I'm in the color Light Sand, and that was the perfect color for me to like put like right here. It was just cleaned everything up, made everything bright. Oh. And it lasted so long too. Oh, and the doe foot applicator. I love this applicator. And also the color of it was really, really nice. Will I repurchase? Yes, but I mean, it's kind of expensive. I mean, for me, $26 or $32, I don't know. Somewhere around there. Although this one is pretty, like I'll probably repurchase it sometime in my lifetime. Especially if it goes on 21 Days of Beauty. Ooh, then yes. Next, I had this glitter that I purchased in Japan and I love it. So sad. I don't have it here. It's kind of hard to read because it's like all like Rom and Drum. Is that right? Rom and Drum. Adored. And the inner corners, and then it'd be like twinkly. I just love it. It's so good. And it lasted forever too, like over like 15 hours. Really good glitter. Next, we have the Rocket Mascara. This mascara is like, okay. I used to like it a lot when I was like in high school, but now I like this Loreal one. This is the mascara I currently use. L'Oreal Voluminous Superstar. Oh, I love this so much. It's so good. Waterproof one. Oh, it's so good. And the waterproof formulas are different. This one is like waterproof, but like your eyes feel like crispy. This one, your eyes are still fluffy, but the waterproof is like there. So that's why I like this one. It just makes your lashes look nice and like And the mascara itself is like very lightweight. So yeah, I really like this one. Rocket, you know, a lot of people like it too. It's good to like comb out your like under eye lashes, but it's like not my fave. I'm not gonna repurchase it. Next, I have L'Oreal Voluminous or something. This one's a L'Oreal one, and it is waterproof. I didn't like it. I think the Superstar one is just like it's worth the extra few dollars. I know a lot of people and their mommies like it. I'm just kind of like, I don't find it appealing. It's not anything like, wow, like I need it to be exciting. Next, oh my God, this is Halsey's brand. This is About Face Eyebrow Pencil in Chocolate Brown. It's a good move that she said chocolate brown because I'm a sucker for like names, and names of products are very important to me. So like the fact that it said chocolate brown, I was like, ooh, I'm chocolate brown. It doesn't smell like chocolate or anything. That's just literally the color, but I love it. I was kind of considering like keeping it just because like the spoolie is so nice. But I'm like, I already have a spoolie, so I don't, okay, so I don't really need it, but it's a really good spoolie. It used to be like bright green. I'll probably repurchase this again for sure. This one's kind of like the Anastasia brow definer. It's like that type of brow thing, which is great for me because I have thick brows. So this like makes it very fast for me. It's very convenient. Now I'm like a pomade girl. Well, I've always been a pomade girl, but whenever I'm like traveling or doing makeup like in the car or like on the go or whatever, using something like this, like a brow pencil, is just like so much more easier because you know, you don't need to have two products and it's just all in one. Next, we have a birthday present that I got from Sephora, like, you know, your birthday thing that you redeem. This is Kosas mini size of the lip gloss, and I fell in love with it. Like I've been using, oh my God, it smells so good. It's like vanilla. Oh, it smells so good. Definitely gonna buy a bigger size one. Though I have like so many lip glosses, like I would still buy it because this lip gloss is seriously like so moisturizing and like so like beautiful, and it like stays put. If I could have one lip gloss for the rest of my life, it would be this one. This exact shade, Unbuttoned. Ooh, how sexy is that? They're like a very clean brand too. And lastly, Blackberry and Bay by Jo Malone. I just love it so much. It's so sexy, so like fall, but also like every day too. It's so cute, and it fits in your purse so cute. I love it, like just pulling it out, Jo Malone. But yeah, Blackberry and Bay. I love it. Okay, anyways, it's empty now. Empty. Usually when I have empties, I would go to like the MAC store or the Lush store, but the MAC store is not doing the empty program anymore. So kind of sad about that. But I am clearing up a bunch of space, and that felt so good to share on my products, because you don't really know a product until you use it till the very last, you know? Like sometimes you like hate a product and you're like, let me give it a second chance, and you're like, oh, actually, this might. So I don't know till the very end. So yeah, I hope you liked watching this as much as I liked filming it, because now I get to throw these away. Spring cleaning. Thank you for watching. Bye. Also, don't mind the mess. Don't mind the mess. Don't judge me. Adulting is hard. Okay, bye.